came across an FCHAJFK file with no obvious source. This is an unusual file extension that may indicate encrypted data application-specific encoding or potentially ransomware activity. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate these FCHAJFK files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted FCHAJFK files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. FCHAJFK files are uncommon files with no widely documented format specifications. They may represent encrypted content from specialized applications, proprietary encoded data, or potentially files affected by ransomware that renames victim files with random extensions to prevent normal access. FCHAJFK files lack publicly documented format specifications, with internal structure entirely dependent on the source application or encryption mechanism. The format may use proprietary encryption algorithms, binary encoding, or custom data structures requiring specific software or decryption keys for proper interpretation and access. The developer of HXD hex editor, Mael Hertz, created the original specifications for FCHAJFK. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows cannot render protected content, so decoding relies on appropriate security software. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your FCHAJFK file and click Open With. If HXD hex editor is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If your FCHAJFK file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the FCHAJFK file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, investigating file origin. Examine the file's location, creation date, and surrounding files for clues about origin. Check installed applications for any program that may use FCHAJFK files. If the file appeared after suspicious system activity scan, with antivirus software like Malwarebytes to check for ransomware infection. Next, checking for ransomware. If multiple files have unusual extensions like FCHAJFK Consult, ransomware identification services like ID Ransomware or No More Ransom. Upload sample files for analysis to determine if a known ransomware family is involved. These services may provide free decryption tools for specific ransomware variants. Finally, inspecting contents. Open FCHAJFK files in a hex editor like HXD to examine internal structure. Encrypted files typically display high-entropy random byte patterns. Look for any readable headers, signatures, or metadata that might identify the encryption method or source application, providing direction for recovery efforts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.